The Honorable, the Chief Justice and the Associate Justices of the Supreme Court of the United States. Oyez, oyez, oyez. All persons having business before the Honorable, the Supreme Court of the United States are admonished to give their attention, for the Court is now sitting. God save the United States and this Honorable Court.
I have the honor to announce on behalf of the Court that the October 2019 term of the Supreme Court of the United States is now closed, and the October 2020 term is now convened. Today's orders of the Court have been duly entered and certified and filed with the clerk. I note that memorial drapery has been erected on the door of our courtroom and on the bench to signify mourning for Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who died on September 18, 2020. Justice Ginsburg was born in Brooklyn, New York, March 15, 1933. She received her BA from Cornell University and married Martin D. Ginsburg shortly after graduation. They briefly lived in Oklahoma, where Marty was stationed when called to active duty in the Army. They both pursued a career in law. She attended Harvard Law School and received her LLB from Columbia Law School in 1959, first in her class. Justice Ginsburg served as a law clerk to the Honorable Edmund L. Palmieri, Judge of the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York, from 1959 to 1961. From 1961 to 1963, she was a research associate and then associate director of the Columbia Law School Project on International Procedure. Justice Ginsburg was a professor of law at Rutgers University School of Law from 1963 to 1972 and Columbia Law School from 1972 to 1980. In 1971, she was instrumental in launching the Women's Rights Project of the American Civil Liberties Union. She argued 6 significant gender discrimination cases in this court, winning 5. President Carter appointed Justice Ginsburg to the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit, and she served there as a circuit judge from 1980 to 1993. President Clinton appointed her to this court in 1993. She was the second woman appointed to the court and served more than 27 years. During her time on the court, she authored 483 majority, concurring, and dissenting opinions. Justice Ginsburg's contributions as advocate, jurist, and citizen are immeasurable. We at the court will remember her as a dear friend and a treasured colleague. Justice Ginsburg is survived by her 2 children, Jane Carroll Ginsburg and James Stephen Ginsburg, 4 grandchildren, 2 step-grandchildren, and 1 great-grandchild. We extend our condolences to her children, extended family, and countless admirers. At an appropriate time, the traditional memorial service of the court and bar will be held in our courtroom. We now turn to the business of the court. Our first case today is number 19309, John Carney, Governor of Delaware, versus James Adams.